In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade your Calendly plan. First, let's get started by visiting the Calendly homepage. If you're not already logged in, enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, try to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to Calendly. Direct your attention to the left-hand corner of the screen where you will see an option labeled Upgrade Plan. It may seem counterintuitive, but this is where you need to click, even though you're planning to downgrade. Clicking on this option will bring up a page that displays your current plan details. This is an important step because knowing what plan you're on now can help you compare the features and the cost differences between the available plans. As you examine the current plan, start considering your needs. If you don't need all the features of your current plan, downgrading could save you money, and that's what we're here to do today. Look at the other plans displayed on the page. Typically, there should be a range of plans with varying features and costs. Take your time to study the differences carefully. You want to ensure that the plan you choose covers the essentials for your scheduling needs. After you've made your decision, simply click on the plan that suits you better. Keeping in mind, it should be a less expensive option than what you are currently paying for. This action will prompt a confirmation page. Be sure to review all the details on this confirmation page before moving forward. This is your opportunity to confirm you have selected the correct downgraded plan. And that's it. You have successfully selected a new plan. Depending on Calendly's billing cycle, the change might take effect immediately, or at the start of your next billing period. You should receive a confirmation email detailing changes to your account's status. Remember, you typically lose access to any premium features that are not included in your new plan. So double-check how this will impact your scheduling abilities. If you experience any issues during this process, Calendly's customer support is a helpful resource, ready to assist. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily adjust your plan to better fit your needs and budget. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide useful, consider subscribing and checking out our other tech tutorial videos for more insightful tips and tricks.